In this video, I will show you how you can fix the black screen problem on your iPad Air. If your iPad Air is stuck on black screen and if you want to fix this issue, first of all, just press and hold the side button on your iPad. Then just keep pressing and holding the side button on your iPad until you see the Apple logo on the screen, because your iPad Air might be powered off, and by pressing and holding the side button, you will power on your iPad. Then just check if your issue has been fixed or not. If your issue is still not fixed, then just bring the charging cable of your iPad and check if it is damaged or not. If it is damaged, just replace your charger. And also, if you're using a third-party charger or a charger which is not supported by Apple, this can damage your iPad. So make sure you use Apple's original charger with your iPad. Now, after you have made sure that your charger is working, then just plug your iPad into charge for 30 minutes to an hour. And after that, just perform a force restart on your iPad. To do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then just press and hold the side button on your iPad until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Now after you see the Apple logo on the screen, just release the side button. Now if this also did not work, then just check the charging port of your iPad and check if it is blocked or not. If you find any dust or debris in the charging port, just clean it using a soft brush. And after you clean the charging port, then just plug your iPad into charge for 30 minutes to an hour. Then just perform the force restart as I have shown you earlier. But if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPad. Just take your iPad to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the black screen problem on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.